Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Wish Week is going on, and we have you, Aaron, who wished for a beautiful song here. Cool, funny, and everything from Aurora. It's called Cure for Me. So thank you for being here, Aaron, on this channel. I know you've been here before, and I really enjoy and appreciate your support. So thank you so much, and everybody else who are new to this channel, feel free to support me here. Subscribe to this channel and follow Aaron's pattern here, and be a member of this family. It's great to see this family growing. So anyway, back to this song from Aurora. It's called Cure for Me, and yeah, we have the capo set on the 7th fret high up. Why? Because we want to match up with the sound. We also want to get the easiest chords and grips possible. This is not the easiest song ever. It's challenging, has some challenging parts in the chords, the melodies and all that. But anyway, we will cover the spectrum of easy chords, easy songs, to a little bit more advanced on this channel here in Gordon Guitar. So this one is somewhere in the mid. Aurora, Chord for Me. Let's go into it. And we need to learn the chords for this. So we'll start with those. We're going to go with the B minor, and we're going to use this grip for B minor. Usually it's a bar, but we don't need that for this song. It goes 2nd on A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. That's the B minor. Then D, it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A. Here we go with the sus version, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. We have G as well, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and then finally we have the E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so there we have all the chords. Now go into the first part of this song, and that will be the verse. So we're gonna alternate the two chords B minor to D, alright? And we're gonna use a pattern that goes down, up, clap, down. So if you grab the B minor chord, you're gonna play down, up, clap, down. That's one round. So slowly, down, pause, and then up, clap, down. A couple rounds. Okay, I played 4 string rounds for you, and that's what you're gonna do per chord. So B minor 4, D4, and you're gonna do that for 2 rounds. So B minor 4, D4, B minor 4, and D4. And you can see the chord switch there. It's very easy. If you keep the 3rd fret on B string there with your ring finger, you can just keep that there, and you just recuperate your fingers from this, all right? Just some technical stuff there. So B minor 4, D4 for 2 rounds like this. D4. Back again. B minor 4. D4. All right, so that's the first verse. Now to the pre-chorus. You're gonna play the chords G, A, B minor, and D. Okay, so you have a certain strumming here that it goes down, 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 up, up, down. Like this. So it's 3 downs first. 1, 2, 3, and then it comes up, up, down. It goes pretty fast there, so you're gonna do one of these per chord in the order G, A, B minor, and D. So like this. That is 1 round. You're gonna speed up a little bit, and you're gonna play for 2 rounds like this. That's a pre-chorus. Then comes the chorus or the drop or release or whatever we're gonna call it. And this is a little bit fun here because we have a melody part. You can choose to go with that melody. I'm gonna teach you that, but you can also go and play in the exact same way as you play the pre-chorus because this melody is based upon the same chord progression there. G, A, B minor, and D. But we have this specific melody. If you think that is too much, then just continue with the pre-chorus play. Okay, we're gonna do that for 2 rounds, and I'm just gonna give you the notes now. And it's actually just 2 different variations of it. You're gonna apply the G and B minor in the same way, and the A and D in the same way. So we're gonna look at the pattern here to start with G to A. Okay, so the notes here are gonna have the bass note as supporting note that gives you the chord. So for G, that is on the 3rd fret E string, the note. Okay, and then follows the melody. It goes like this. Okay, so you kick the bass note together with the 2nd fret G string, then 3rd G, then open B, then 2nd G again, then 3rd G, and then 3 times on the 3rd fret B string. And that is the G part. So slowly. And then you go to the next chord, in this case the A, and you play the bass note for that chord, and that is the open A string. Now you play it in the same way to start with as before. So you're gonna play that together with the 2nd fret G string, then 3rd G, open B, then 2nd G again, and 3rd G. And now the last 3 notes, that's where the difference happens. You're gonna play open E string now for 3 times. And there you have the pattern. Then you apply the same pattern for the next 2 chords, the B minor. Now you have a different bass note. Of course, it's on the 2nd fret A string, but you play it in the same way as the G with the ending of 3 times on the B string, okay? So everything else is the same. It goes like this slowly. 3 times on B string, and then you have the final chord, the D. The bass note now is on the open D string, and you play that in the same way as A with the ending of 3 times on the open high E string, like this. And that ends 1 chord progression round. So slowly, 1 round goes like this. A little bit faster in standard tempo, something like this. And I actually hit the bass note in between, right in the middle of this melody, to just prolong the bass action there to have that backbone with it. And I played, of course, in the first kick there. And then after the open B string, so right here, in between the open B and 2nd G, I kick it again, not together, just more in between, so and the same for all the other chords, so that's how you play the melody. If you think that is too much, then play just the strumming for the pre-chorus part. Do that for 2 rounds in the first chorus, and that's it. Over now to the second round of everything. The second verse is played in the same way, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus. And then the second chorus is played in the same way, but it's twice as long. It's for 4 rounds instead of 2. So that is the second round of everything. And after that comes the bridge part. We're now about 2 minutes and 8 seconds into the song. Now we're gonna utilize different strumming. It's very easy. It's down clap. You're gonna play G, down clap for 2 times. Then A, 1 time, down clap. Then E minor, and this is where E minor comes in for 1 round, down clap. Then B minor for 2 rounds, and A for 1 round. Okay, sorry, 2 rounds. So B minor 2 and A2 in the end there. So it goes like this. Okay, so here it's a certain rhythm here going on. So you're gonna play G2, down, clap, but then when you come to A, you're gonna play down, clap, so G, down, clap, A, B, 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 A, G, G, A, B, A. Right? So G2, A1, E minor 1, B2, and A2. That is 1 chord progression round. You're going to play it for 4 rounds. After that, we have the final parts of the song, and that is to play the final 3rd chorus. Okay? And that chorus is played for 4 rounds. And yeah, that sums it up for Aurora's Cure for Me. So nice, funny song to handle. Thank you, Erin, for highlighting this one. I know you like Aurora. She will be back for sure, and I hope you will be back as well, and I can fulfill your wishes with another Aurora or other song artist. So anyway, thank you for joining me here on Growing Guitar, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a like on this tutorial, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Till next time, play tuned.